So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to do float. 6, 7, 8, and pull into pirouettes. Okay? However many you can do. Okay? So this is the thing. With your floats, what tends to happen when our arms go up is we tend to bring our arms like this, and then we get all sorts of crazy stuff happening with our technique, yes? So we want to watch that we're shading our face with our hands, okay? We're not bringing those arms back too far and keeping that closed. Don't let this happen when you're doing floats, because that tends to what happens, and then we get all sorts of issues, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you're basically, all it is, you guys, a float turn is like a pirouette with your leg out in second, right? It's just doing a pirouette. We could even, just to learn how to do it, we could almost do it like first just going down, float, you know what I mean? Okay, so let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and do what you want after that. I just want to see us working that float. Yeah. Pirouette. So it's not an ossicone. Float turn, that's what I was just saying. A float is like doing a pirouette with your leg out in second, right? So you do ossicones and then you hold. Yep, you got to just keep working that supporting leg though, because even when you're doing your ossicones, once you figure out how to stretch through this leg and squeeze that quad and get all the way up on that releve, your turns are just going to be more solid. Okay, ready? Alexa, just watch. Think about that feeling. Ready? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Good, try it one more. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now there's two ways too you can bring your arms up. I think that's probably the easiest for them, right? So from here, 5, you can bring them up this way. Yes, or you can do this. But that's harder. Yeah? So, boom, bring them up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So you're really, when you're floating, booty out. Yep, so watch that you're keeping that there. And then when you, arms, use your arms more. Keep engaging those muscles, because your arms are a big part of your turn, yeah. So engage those muscles, you guys, utilize your arms. Ready? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. I want you to use your arms more, because you're almost like opening them here. So I want you to open them. I want you to straighten them, yep. Because in jazz, I'm going to have you straighten them a little bit, yep. So think about that. That's going to help you. And then boom, hop, and squeeze them where they're supposed to be there, yep. Now even there, yep, right there, good. Yes. Gonna squeeze that leg, get it even straighter. There you go. It's just a leg that every so slight bend. Do it again, now squeeze, 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 squeeze. Yes, do you feel that difference?